our video on how to start freelancing for beginners. In this video, we will guide you through the process of becoming a successful freelancer. Let's get started. Starting freelancing is thrilling yet overwhelming. Freelancing offers flexibility and freedom to work on your own terms. This guide covers essential steps to get started, including identifying your niche, building a portfolio, finding clients, and managing finances. Discover the freedom and creativity of being your own boss in a thriving freelance career. When searching for a job, you may encounter common problems such as high competition, skill mismatches, vague requirements, hidden expectations, geographic limitations, lengthy interviews, salary negotiations, cultural fit, and job stability. Understanding these challenges can help you better prepare for your job search and develop strategies to overcome them, increasing your chances of landing the right position. But in freelancing, you are the boss. That's why freelancing work is most popular in market. Identifying your skills and passion is crucial when starting freelancing. Discover your niche by focusing on what you are good at and what you love doing. This will make your work enjoyable and help you deliver high-quality services. Additionally, assess your skills and determine which ones are marketable. Consider taking online courses to enhance your expertise. When building a strong portfolio, it's essential to showcase your work effectively. Create a portfolio website to display your best work, including case studies, client testimonials, and a clear presentation of your skills. Starting small by taking on small projects, even unpaid ones initially, can help you build your portfolio and gain valuable experience. As you start your freelancing journey, it's crucial to set clear goals and a plan. Define your objectives by determining what you want to achieve as a freelancer. Set both short-term and long-term goals to keep yourselves motivated. Additionally, create a business plan outlining your target market, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. This plan will serve as your roadmap for success. When leveraging online platforms, join freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find your first clients. Optimize your profile and actively apply for projects. Additionally, network online using platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Join relevant groups and take part in discussions to expand your network. Invest in self-promotion by building your brand. Develop a personal brand that reflects your expertise and values. Create a professional logo, business cards, and social media profiles. Additionally, consider content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche and share valuable insights and tips to establish yourself as an authority in your field. When starting freelancing, it's important to manage your finances wisely. Set your rates by researching industry standards and being realistic about what you can charge. Keep track of your expenses using tools like QuickBooks or Excel to manage your finances, and remember to set aside money for taxes. When starting your freelancing journey, it's important to develop good client relationships. Communication is key. Be responsive and clear in your communications. Set expectations early and keep clients informed about project progress. Additionally, always strive to deliver quality work. Exceeding client expectations and delivering high-quality work on time will lead to repeat business and referrals. When starting your freelancing journey, it's important to stay persistent and adaptable. Success in freelancing doesn't happen overnight, so be patient and keep improving your skills and services. The freelancing world is dynamic, so stay updated with industry trends and be ready to adapt to changes to stay relevant. When starting freelancing, it's important to choose your domain and what you can offer for selling. If you're not in the technology domain, no problem. You can start with blog writing, content writing, press release writing, and more. If you have technical skills in website designing, consider offering website design with search engine optimization services. Designers can offer services for logo design, banners, and template designing. If you have technical skills in Java, Python, PHP, check out platforms like Upwork and Fiverr for more ideas on selling your services. When starting freelancing, it's important to choose your services and set primary pricing plans to offer your customers. Check freelancing platforms and your competitors' services to get ideas on how to promote yourself and create pricing plans. Consider providing more in the same pricing plan to escalate your brand name and get a quick startup. For example, if you're offering website designing, start with higher page plans at the same rate. Build a customer base and a good reputation on every freelance platform. When starting freelancing, it's important to be aware of the common problems you may encounter when searching for a job. However, there are numerous benefits to freelancing, such as flexibility and the ability to work on projects you're passionate about. To begin, identify your skills and passion, and then build a strong portfolio to showcase your work. Setting clear goals and a plan will help guide your freelancing journey. You can leverage online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal, Guru, People Per Hour, 99 Designs, Simply Hired, TaskRabbit, FlexJobs, and others to find opportunities. Additionally, investing in self-promotion will help you stand out in the competitive freelancing market. When starting your freelancing journey, it's important to utilize freelance websites to find opportunities. Sign up on popular platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Complete your profile with a portfolio showcasing your best work and start bidding on projects that match your skills and expertise. Discover the freedom and creativity of being your own boss in a thriving freelance career. Let's start your wonderful journey in the world of freelancing. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on DevOps engineer, cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.